end up.
Second last. There's a lovely shot right now.
Okay.
Shall we go?
Yeah, go.
Do you want me to spoil your shot?
No, hug the tree.
Yeah.
They look really cool. When I was talking about all those white flowers and pink flowers.
What a featured wreck.
Lovely. Our whole inwards goods, outwards goods will come from here. At the moment,
Extended out.
yeah, this will be extended out for another 20. Let me see what it says on here. I've got some notes. Using 2 things from the flax, or 3 things now. The leaf material, the fibre in the leaf.
For our packaging.
Yep, it will go into packaging. We haven't quite got to that stage yet, but we've just done some trials and it makes a very nice paper. The flower stems you see here, this is one from last year. It's really, really light, but in these buds here, this is where the seeds are produced, and in summer when it gets really hot, these dry down and they crack open and the seeds just fritter away.
So, do you guys come out here and harvest from this group of flax?
Yep, this is a source of the flax gel.
Complete source of it?
Not the complete source. We do wild harvesting around the area as well.
Oh, okay. So who does that?
Tony, who works with us. You can, that's actually quite wet, this one. Very good for the skin.
Well, that's what we tell people, but...
No, it is.
No, I know.
Is this it? Oh, there's some gel in there too.
Yeah.
Better than aloe vera gel.
So what its main properties? Just anti-inflammatory?
It's anti-inflammatory. It's very soothing. It's a humectant, so it's very moisturising on the skin. What we do with the flax is we even add. Because I work all over this. And what we'll do is we'll do an extract on the kumara, or the kumara will also go into our hard soaps as well. So for exfoliating properties. These are just after the bud phase. So that'll be a nice exfoliating soap as well. Here's another flower. 2 flowers that we're drying down. Trials on to go into hard soaps.
What are they saying?
Just drying down flowers.
Yeah, these are petals to go into hard soaps.
Oh, okay, so they're the cummer.
This plant here is the New Zealand honeysuckle, or Lagerraeumen. It's got a beautiful, it's actually related, it's got a beautiful, the petals are quite curly and it's got two tones to it, so it's going to look very nice. It's Lagerraeumen is the Maori name, but it's also called New Zealand honeysuckle.
Oh, you
And the other one? And that one? The yellow one? What's the yellow one?
And the yellow one is whitey wood, which is also a New Zealand native. And what we're doing is this is going to go into flying soap, not flying soap, sorry, the hard soap, so the soap bars. We're just drying this down. Day cream or over You find that in the ground there's all these big rocks like this. Like my property's covered in these rocks. It's a bit of a hassle, but they all came out. This is the only time you'll ever be allowed to walk in here like this. Usually when production's occurring, over here, so we just hold all the bottles. This is our bottle. This is going to be our bottle. When the product's made, it's thrown in bulk into these. These can hold, I think, about 250 kilos of product. You can get larger ones, and it's in an air-free environment, so everything is basically stored in there sterile, and there's no. So the water that we use is free from any bugs now. The final treatment is a UV filter, but it's going through several microfilters that eliminate any bacteria. These are our new mixing vessels. What we have now here, I think the capacity we can do 1,000 litres at one time. What we used to do was this, we were making. So this is going to be fantastic. I can't wait to start this up. We have a second system over there too. These are jacketed. Okay.
Where's the
I'm ready. So this is Mamie.
And this is for Germany. This is your next sea freight order.
Thank you.
Can you speak as well? That's something weird and cooked there, wasn't it?
Very nice Christmas gift.
Oh look, kumaraho. Looks nice in the house,
it is.
eh?
Where is it?
And look at the big flags.
Without flowers. Anyway, and we have got the beautiful